These are essentially stick-on gel nails that you can stick it on and bake underneath a UV gel lamp. This brand called UUUUU, they actually ship to the United Kingdom, which is a big plus. And I guess the product advantage is that you don't have to go to a salon, which for me takes around 2 to 3 hours. And I'm doing quite a lot at the moment. So even those 2 to 3 hours, I always think maybe I just shouldn't go. But then some people like me really enjoy getting their nails done. I'm working from home. The only joy is looking at my nails whilst I'm doing work, typing away on my keyboard. So I just really enjoy getting my nails done. These, I think, could be the solution that I needed. Having some sort of a gel that I can easily do at home and I can take off without much damage to my nails. And thanks to UUUUU sending me some samples for me to try out and to share with you guys on how I feel. I've got 2 of these. It's got a protective film over the top. That's why the colour looks a bit matte. It comes with a file and a mini wood stick that you can use to take your gel stick-on nails off with normal nail remover, I think. And it also comes with some cleaning swabs. Yeah, I quite like their packaging. It's how I like it. You can get one of these swabs and it's all there for you to prep your nail. We're essentially getting rid of any oil that's on top of your nails because that's going to reduce the duration of the product on your nails.
손톱의 방향을 이게 어떤 거는
이게 남았는데 이거 남은 거를 또 활용할 수 있을까?
네.
안 되나?
반대 방향으로 해야지.
안 되네. 너무 작다.
반대
근데
방향.
이게 늘어나네.
늘어나? 좀 좋은 거 아니야?
엄청 좋은 거지. 그러면은 더 쓸 수 있으니까. 앰프. 오.
알았지?
It just turned really hard, like almost like an acrylic.